Is this thing on? Of course it is. What's up, my fellow deal seekers? I thought I'd give a little help for those out looking for a discount for their contact lenses. So here's my journey. I just got new prescription lenses. I went back to my previous supplier, which is Discount Contact Lenses, and the total came out to be $183 for 4 boxes, right? Well, if you are a first-time customer, they'll give you 20% off, but since I've already ordered before, they only had a 10% coupon, which isn't great. But just for reference, they're still much cheaper than 1-800-CONTACTS. And if you look at 1-800-CONTACTS, it's like, whoa, what is going on here? They want $271. I did find a discount code, took off $40, but still it's $231. And then they have this gimmicky rebate thing. After your order, you can send in and apply for rebate. It's like, heck no, what a waste of time. So that's still, even after the rebate, it's still $206. It's cheaper, but I thought to myself, well, there's got to be a better option out there. So what do? Went to Google. Google, typed in Biofinity Toric. That is my brand and type that they sell. And you click on shopping. Now here's the secret: is you need to go through the shopping links because you will get better discounts through there because people are trying to bring you in. So first off, I see is this $28.95, which was even $20 cheaper than the cheapest I'd found before. So I went to this Contact Lens King and I was like, what is the deal? How do they do it so cheap? I was like, score. And then I get to the very end, put in all my information, and they have this thing called a processing fee. Do you see that? $40. I was like, what the heck? They lured me in and then they just hit me. And I was like, that is wrong, guys. So it rubbed me wrong, but it was still $155, which was cheaper than Discount Contact Lenses. But I was like, maybe there's somebody else. So I'm back to Google and I found OptiContacts. They lured you in with the same steep discount, but then here it is again, another processing fee, $34, which raised the price even more. So I tried one more with Web Eye Care. What? $46 they want for the processing fee. So I was like, hold up, guys, what is going on here? I went back to the Google shopping one more time. And what did I see here? Was through lowestpricecontacts.com. Advertised price of $39.95. I was like, well, that is $10 more, $10, $11 more, but no hidden charges or processing fee. I was like, okay, let's put in my information, see what pops out at the very end. So I go through the process, get to the end, and they were also running a discount and free shipping. And so at the very end, my total came out to be $143.82 and no stupid processing fee. So what did I do? I bought it because you can't beat this price. And I looked into them. They're a good, reputable company. One secret, one advice, like I said, you have to go through Google Shopping because if you just go to their website directly, they'll charge you $50. But if you use their link here, you get that $39.95 price and additional discount codes if you want to use. So at the end of the day, came out to be about $35 a box compared to like $60, $70 retail through the higher price retailer companies or your doctor. So hope this helps. I will see you next week. And if you find another better price, let me know what works best for you.